guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Jen, owner of Citrusandwillow Skincare and Citrusandwillow Advanced Aesthetics courses.
And I'm Chelsea.
Chelsea is also here with me today because we are both so excited to show you out with old, in with the new. We've got new equipment here. It's like Christmas. We are so excited.
We have all new equipment from Spawn Equipment and SkinAct, and I can't wait to see what we got. So we're gonna do an unboxing and a pull together of everything you need for your treatment room.
And you guys, I've done a lot of research on products and equipment. I cannot even tell you how much. And I don't like spending money in my business. If you know and you own your own clinic or spa, you know you don't like to spend unnecessary money if things are still working. So to be able to add new things in here, it must be exceptional. So I am so excited to show you guys what we got. And I'm going to totally shout out Spawn Equipment Company and SkinAct because they threw in some amazing stuff for us to try. And we can't wait to show you guys what we got.
tired of it. Seriously?
It was a little harder than we expected. It didn't walk you through detail by detail. I think they just thought it was unspoken knowledge. But we figured it out in the end, and it really isn't that hard to put together. There's just some extra bolts and
nuts. Nuts and bolts.
Lots of
and
extra
they gave you a
pieces, but they do all go to something. But we figured it out, and we're so excited to have this because it is so beautiful. I cannot wait to use this. I mean, ours is such an older model. It's the spin button, the flip switch.
Yeah.
So I can't wait. I'm excited. This is beautiful. So we're excited to put that into practice.
Yeah, I was going to say it's the digital Euro.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to put all the details in it.
Yep.
And like I said, it does talk about directions of use. It does show basics of putting it together.
It's really not that hard, but there was a lot of...
Only thing we got stuck on is it didn't quite walk you through exactly where all the screws went. So it just took us a moment. But once we got it all figured out, can't wait to use it. Yeah.
So easy, yeah. Everything comes, this all comes put together, as you saw when we unpacked it. So it really was just this bottom piece to get it plated and get these on here. But everything else is just like a little puzzle. So easy.
Yep. Out with the old, in with the new.
Yay.
I was angry before, but I circled the drain in my mind. I can't find, don't let the sun go down. Don't let the sun go down. I was angry before, but I circled the drain in my mind. I can't find.
This was a little bit easier to put together, actually, because it was just so self-explanatory, but we are so excited about it. The new wax card. It comes with keys for each drawer. That was a good catch. These come with keys for each drawer, and I would have thought these were an extra pair, but they're not. So basically make sure that you know which keys are for which.
So one set for the top and one set for the bottom.
And so basically what I'm going to do for us, because I'm not worried about anything, is just tape them underneath the bottom probably for each drawer, or just keep them in the drawer if you're going to keep it unlocked. So each one comes with separate. It's a beautiful cart, super easy to put together, and I love how everything's going to be concealed in this. I've been waiting so long to get a wax cart, so I'm excited.
Love it.
I've been waiting forever for a new towel cabbie. Look how beautiful this is.
Yeah.
It's smaller, it's more convenient, and I love the 2 trays. That is such a great addition. You can warm up masks or put double towels. It's really awesome, and it's beautiful and clean, pristine.
Yeah, nice and sleek. That's always nice with an upgrade.
Yeah, and SkinAct has the best towel warmers. I've had mine forever, and it's a bigger one. It's a little bit of an older model, so I'm just gonna put that one aside and bring in this new pretty one.
Know how my mind keeps on spinning. This is how I live into me, what you told. Why am I like this? Something's always amiss. Can't put my finger on it, but it's there. Wait for it to subside.
Ooh, okay, this is the wax warmer. Yay. Okay.
When I lose control, there's something.
We got a new wax warmer. I've been wanting one for a while. This is one of my favorite wax warmers. It has the degrees on here that you guys can put them up to. Make sure you're following the instructions on your waxes before you put them in here. But look how beautiful this is. I know, so beautiful. Love it. I'm really excited about this.
See the light.
This is exciting. We've got some new skincare to try. I'm excited to try it. I actually, when I learned that they had skincare, I went on their website, spawnequipment.com, and checked it out. And it is legit, you guys. I'm excited. Like, advanced detox serum. This is with willow bark extract and zinc, which I found really interesting because we tell our acne clients to take a zinc and a magnesium. So this is sebum control. You guys, look at all these awesome serums that we got from SkinAct. I'm excited to try them. That looks like in some of these they have the Matrixyl 3000, the anti-aging ingredient. That is like a Botox effect in the skin. So I'm excited to try this, and with the vitamin C. That's amazing.
Yeah.
Zinc also.
I know, 4D hyaluronic.
Yep. And this one over here has the Matrixyl 3000 too. This one is the collagen. Yeah. So I'm excited to try these. And the packaging is absolutely beautiful.
I know.
When we open these, we'll have to show you what the bottles look like. We'll do some videos of these as well,
Yeah,
because
I
can't wait to talk about these, actually.
Let us know if you are looking at these.
Yeah.
We will talk about bringing them in. Maybe we'll do a full breakdown just on these.
Yep. I'm definitely going to try them.
Yeah,
I'm
me
the
too.
experimenter.
The guinea pig.
Guinea pig!
Yep.
Sign me up if it's skincare.
Yep.
And last but not least,
Yeah.
I am telling you, I saved the best for last on purpose. We both did, because this chair is amazing.
Yeah.
If you have not bought this chair, you need to.
Exactly.
I teach a class on ergonomics. Eventually I'll have some stretches and stuff on here because they're so great, but I didn't realize how much it makes a difference until I was in aesthetics, and this chair has helped all my back and neck problems.
Yes.
It really keeps you sitting up straight. We've heard that the saddle chairs, which I love too, they're bad for your pelvis. So it's nice to be able to have this little curvature right here. It actually puts your legs straight in alignment with your hips. You got some back support. It is for sure legit. I would buy this chair over and over and over and over again.
It comes in black, comes in white, and we like it because I have to tell you, your range of motion, you're really like in a rocking motion.
It's really easy to slide, and it's quiet, no
Yes.
squeaking, which is amazing.
Yeah.
And it's good for you to get around ergonomically in your treatment room. So yay on this chair.
Yeah.
Best purchase ever.
Yeah, it's a win for us.
We'll put it in the link below.
Yeah.
We'll put the link below.
And we just left the packaging on because we just opened it up and boxed it. So now we're pretty much going to let you know how it wears, but we're obsessed with it. We did go with the white. We thought maybe the black because we're a little concerned about wear and tear. But at the end of the day, we got it for a couple $100, so it was definitely a good purchase. And
It's definitely worth it. I think for my personal aesthetic, the white looks a little bit more clinical, and I'm almost sure we can find some sort of protective covering for it.
Yeah.
So I'm not too worried about it. And if it gets too run down, then you can just get another one, because it was pretty affordable. It was on the affordable range. And I did a lot of research on this because I'm telling you, my back and neck were killing me.
Yeah, we've gone through a lot of chairs, from stools to saddle chairs.
Yep.
We at one point kind of had like a more ball chair, so this was going to be a great option.
Yeah, we tried a lot.
Long term.
Yeah.
And like I said, I can't wait to see how it wears with the white, but we both love it.
Yeah, I'm excited about this one. This is our spa and equipment SkinAct roundup.
Yeah.
We hope that you guys love this. I wish that I would have had this when I was a new Esty, so it was a great idea for this video, because we really are, as a seasoned esthetician, I've done a lot of research. I'm not wasting my money. I'm definitely trying to buy long-lasting equipment that is good for all skin types, all conditions, all studios, and to make your overhead low, you need good equipment. That's a fact.
Yeah, and I was going to say, I think something we've learned is you can always start with the Amazon towel cabinet, you can always start with the steamer, but upgrade. Eventually, it's going to make your treatments better. It's going to be better long-term. You're going to have a warranty as well as some support We love SkinAct and
Yeah.
Spawn equipment. Anytime we have an issue with shipping, anything, there is
Amazing.
somebody on the
Zeb,
other
we love you.
side. They are right there to help you,
Yeah.
and that's important when you're buying from a company.
Mhm.
If something breaks right away, you're pretty much calling them and they're fixing it for
Yep.
you.
Yep.
So we want to say kudos to them, and that's one of the reasons we purchased through them.
Yeah.
We
Yeah,
want
we love
things
it.
to work.
We love having our rep, and her name is Zeb. We will actually put her information in the description below, as
Yeah.
well as the link to purchase any of the items we pulled out today. I'm telling you, if you have the money, spend it on good equipment. It will last longer. But like she said, the Amazon, it was the way that I started. It's the way a lot of people have to start when you're building a business with your own capital,
Yep.
and just upgrade later on.
Yes.
So amazing with Spawn Equipment Company. They are so easy to work
Yeah.
with. I absolutely love them.
Yeah, we're gonna put everything in the description below, all the links, all the codes, each item individually. And if you have any questions, make sure you drop them in the comments, and we'll get them answered for you.
Yeah. Well, see you guys next week. We have some great things coming up soon, so keep your heads up.
Exactly. We'll see you next week, guys.
Bye.